from high production screw machine products to complicated CNC parts.
And we like to think of ourselves as a one-stop shop.
Like, we're very versatile at Avanti, where we have screw machines, we have CNCs, we have Swiss machines.
We do multi-spindle CNC turning and automatic multi-spindle screw machines.
We have every different type of screw machine that are out in the market.
Avanti Engineering handles component parts from 3/32 of an inch up to 2 5/8 round bar stock. We can handle larger applications by slugging. In that case, we can go up to 6 to 8 inches in diameter. Ferrous and non-ferrous materials, various types of stainless steels. We do some plastic machining, nylon, Delrin.
We want to use our expertise to help you.